A lot of the effort around food isn't the cooking. It's holding all the little decisions in your head, even when the meals themselves are simple. What I noticed was how much mental space that was taking, not the meals, but how often I had to decide. I still do meal plan weekly. I still make small choices every day, but I'm not carrying all of it all the time. In the last couple of videos, I've shared what dinner looks like in our house and also what a real day of food decisions actually involves. This video zooms out one level. It's about how I plan food in a way that reduces how often I have to think about it during the week. What used to take so much energy wasn't cooking or grocery shopping. It was actually the constant background thinking. What's next? What about snacks? How does this affect dinner? Did I forget something? So instead of trying to fix food in the moment, I started asking a different question. Which decisions am I making too often? Before the week starts, I decide a few things once. I decide which dinners we're rotating through. I decide what breakfasts are predictable. And I decide the general structure of snacks. That doesn't make the week rigid, it just gives it a framework. So I'm choosing inside something familiar, not inventing decisions as I go. I still make food decisions every day. If there are leftovers, I use them. If there are two reasonable options in the fridge, I'll give a choice. Those kinds of decisions are easy because they're happening inside a plan, not instead of one. I eliminated high-stress food decisions, not every food decision. A high-stress food decision is one that forces me to rethink dinner or the rest of the week. A low-stress one fits inside choices I already expected to make. By the end of the week, the only food decisions I'm making are small ones, like using leftovers or choosing between two options that were already expected. What I don't do anymore is rethink the whole week halfway through. I don't try to fix food stress in the moment, and I don't decide under pressure. Those were the decisions that were draining the most energy. Planning food this way doesn't solve everything, but it does close a lot of open loops. Most of the decisions that used to take energy are already handled. That's what makes the rest of the week feel lighter. For me, it's been a small way of trusting that not everything has to sit on my shoulders. In the next video, I'll talk about where this system still needs support, especially around snacks.